Hello everyone. In this part 4th of definite integrals, we will discuss evaluation of definite integrals using properties. So let's start with the properties. Today we will discuss these three properties. Number 1, integration a to b fx dx is equals to integration a to b ft dt. It means if we are going to change the variable, then there is no effect on the value of the integration. Second property is integration a to b fx dx is equals to minus integration b to a fx dx. It means if we will change the upper and lower limits, then the value of integration affected by negative sign. Third property, or before starting third property, in particular second property we can define as integration a to a fx dx is equals to 0. It means if lower and upper limits in integrations are equal, then the resultant is 0. Third property is integration a to c fx dx is equals to integration a to b fx dx plus integration b to c fx dx. It means if we are going to introduce new variable, then the integration is splitted into two portions and the value of integration will remain same. That is a to c, and we are going to introduce b. It means integration a to c fx dx is equals to integration a to b fx dx plus integration b to c fx dx. Now we will solve few questions on the basis of these properties. Let's start with the solution of question number 1, a part. We have I is equals to integration 0 to 2 pi cos 5 x dx. Now because in question it is mentioned evaluate the following integrals using the properties of integrals, it means we have to solve by using the properties only. Now I is equals to integration 0 to 2 pi, we will write down cos square x into whole square and into cos x dx. Now this become I is equals to integration 0 to pi cos square x means 1 minus sin square x whole square cos x dx. Now we will say let sin x is equals to t. It means what this become cos x dx is equals to dt. Now we will change the limit also. If x is equals to 0, it means t is equals to what this become sine 2 pi, and the sine 2 pi means sine 360. It means t is equals to 0. If t is x is equals to 0, sine 0 is 0. If x is equals to 2 pi, then sine 2 pi, it means t is also 0. It means I is equals to integration 0 to 0, but this become 1 minus t square and this is dt. Now it means I is equals to 0 by the help of this second property, because we have upper and lower limits are same. That's why integration of this one is 0. Now let's start with the solution of this b part. In this b part we have to find out the integration of minus 1 to 1 fx dx, and where fx is defined by this part. Now look at this thing. We have the splitting of this one with 0, because for x greater than and equals to minus 1 and less than 0 we have this function, and for x greater than and equals to 0 less than and equals to 1 we have this function. It means here we can introduce new variable, that is 0. That's why we will say in first question b part I is equals to integration minus 1 to 1 fx dx is equals to, we can say I is equals to minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0, what is the function? 1 minus 2x dx plus integration 0 to 1. 0 to 1, what is the function? 1 plus 2x dx. In this way we have to split this. Now we will calculate. First we will do integration. What is the integration of 1? X only. This is minus x square by 2. 2 to cancel out. Minus 1 to 0 plus what is the integration of 1? X plus what this become x square. This is 0 to 1. Now first of all, in this part we are going to put upper limit. Upper limit 0 minus lower limit -1, and this become -1 whole square means 1 only. It means this is -1. Now plus upper limit 1 plus 1 minus lower limit 0 plus 0. Now what this become? I is equals to, this is -2 minus minus plus 2, and this is 2. It means I is equals to 4 only. Therefore, the result is 4. So in this way, we have to solve the questions. Now look at this thing. In question number 1, C part, what we have to do, we have to find out the integration of 2 to 4 of this function modulus of x minus 2, modulus of x minus 3 plus modulus of x minus 4, and this is dx. Now look at this thing. First of all, roughly we will draw this number line. Now we will find out the critical point. 1 is 2, 1 is 3, and 1 is 4. By putting x minus 2 is equals to 0, this is x is equals to 2, 3, 4. As we know that, because modulus of x is equals to x if x greater than and equals to 0, and minus x if x less than 0. On the basis of this thing, this portion will be negative if it is less than 2, and this portion will be negative if it is less than 3, and this will be negative if this is less than 4. Now first of all, we are starting with 2. It means in this 2 and 4 we can introduce 3 only. So in this way, first of all, we will split this function 2 to 3. Now 2 to 3 means more than 3 but less than, more than 2 but less than 3. Less than 3 means less than 4 also. It means in this part, this will be positive, but rest of all this 2 will be negative. That is why this is x minus 2 minus x minus 3 minus x minus 4 dx, and then plus, what is this plus? Integration 3 to 4. 3 to 4 means this 2 positive, but because we have less than 4, that's why this one is negative. So this become x minus 2 plus x minus 3, and this minus x minus 4 dx. Now look at this thing. I is equals to 2 to 3, because this 2 are this is negative, negative cancel out. It means minus x, and this is minus minus plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 minus 2 means plus 5. This is dx, and then plus here 3 to 4. This is x plus x 2x minus x means x, and here minus 2 minus 3 means minus 5, and this is plus 4. It means minus 5 plus 4 means minus 1 dx. Now we will do the integration. What is the integration? Minus x square by 2 plus 5x, and this is 2 to 3 plus this is x square upon 2 minus x, this is 3 to 4. Now substitute the values. First of all, we will put the upper limit. It means what this become? Minus 9 by 2 plus 15, because by putting 3 only, and then minus this is lower limit. It means this is 4 by 2, this is minus 2, and this is plus 10. Now here we will put the upper limit. It means what this become? 16 by 2 means 8 minus 2. Here we will put 3 only. Now once we will put 3, it means, now look at this thing. First of all, we are doing this portion is over in this part. Now in this part, upper limit 4. It means 16 by 2 means 8 minus 4 minus, what this become? 9 by 2, and this is minus 3. This is the part. It means I is equals to minus 9 by 2 plus 15 minus 8, and this is plus 4 minus 9 by 2, and this is minus minus plus 3. It means this become 15 minus 8 means 7 minus 9 by 2. 4 plus 3 means this is 7 minus 9 by 2. 7 7 14 minus 9 14, because minus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 means 9 only. 14 minus 9 means 5, and this is the answer. Now let's start with the solution of this d part. Now we look at this thing. In this d part, we have to find out the integration of 0 to 3 by 2. This is first question, d part. 0 to 3 by 2, 3 pi by 2, modulus of sin x and sin x dx. Now first of all, we know very well that if we have I is equals to, this is modulus of sin x, we have this two parts. What is this? This is positive sin x. When if we have x greater than and equals to 0 and less than pi, because first quadrant and second quadrant it is positive, and then if x greater than and equals to pi and less than 3 pi by 2, then it is negative only. On the basis of this thing, we will split this in the form of pi. That's why I is equals to integration 0 to pi sin x dx plus integration pi to 3 pi by 2, and what is this? Minus sin x dx. Now I is equals to, what is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x, 0 to pi, plus what is the integration of this thing? Sin x is minus cos x, it means minus minus plus, this is cos x, pi to 3 pi by 2. Now look at this thing. I is equals to, this minus is taking outside. Now cos pi upper limit minus 1, and then minus cos 0 is 1 only, this is minus 1, plus cos 3 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, and what is this? Cos pi is minus 1, it means this is minus 1. This become 2 because minus 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 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 1, I is equals to 3, and this is the answer. So this is the way to solve the questions. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.